Welcome back to Good Day Sacramento, everyone. If you are anything like me, you have had your fair share of broken cell phones. That's right, whether you drop it or drop it in the toilet, there's a good chance your phone doesn't work. Whether or not it is repairable is the big question. So we are live at Legends Tech in Sacramento. We are going to figure out how hard we could damage a phone and if it could be repaired. I have a sledgehammer in my hand. We are going to literally kick the living you-know-what out of all these cell phones to see if these guys can actually repair it. Let me give you a little tease.
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
There we go. Can they fix it?
You did not just throw that.
Can they fix it, people? We are going to find out if they could fix it.
I feel like she's going through therapy.
I do too.
Those boots are.
You feel better?
Felt so good.
Yeah, those
that
boots
felt
are great.
so good.
Yeah. I think that's why she did that. She threw it down on the floor just so we could see her
So we
boots.
could see the
Yeah.
boots.
I know what you did there, actually. I see it. I see